And today we're talking about the benefits of organic gardening. There are many benefits of organic gardening, whereas you're using natural things to feed your plants. With that, of course, you're going to have benefits to the environment. When you're using natural amendments to feed your plants, you don't have those harmful residuals that you do with chemical nutrients, and you don't have that algae bloom that we're seeing a lot in the rivers nowadays. It's killing off our fish. Along with that, you have better taste in your fruit or your vegetables. The organic nutrients that you use can help intensify the flavors or give them more earthy flavors rather than that more bitter chemically taste to them. And ultimately, the best benefit of it would be the health benefits. When you're using natural things, naturally you're going to have better health benefits because you're not going to be putting harmful chemicals into your body, which will damage your body, and with that you'll have a longer, more healthier life. Those are some of the benefits of organic gardening. I'm sure there are a lot more, but that's what we'll talk about today.